So hey everyone, Gerald Pauschmann here for The Point TV. I had my regular Tuesday's tutorial on the hot button ready to send, but I wanted to delay this from a story that was sent to me by Miranda and Jeff. Thanks guys, you're really helping me out with stories like this. Because I don't watch too much mainstream media because it's all fake news on there. So social media sometimes is the only way that you can get real news from real people like you. Now what I'm about to show you is some shocking footage of a pathetic human being violently kicking a dog after punching it in the head on a beach on the Gold Coast. The RSPCA confirmed on Monday, back up just a little bit. The RSPCA, let's take out the R for Royal, but SPCA stands for the Society for Protection of Cruelty to Animals. The protection of cruelty to animals. So this body's job and their role is to protect animals from thugs like this guy that you're about to see. Anyway, they confirmed on Monday afternoon that it had assigned an inspector to investigate the incident which unfolded on the side of a Gold Coast highway at Palm Beach. Now, as you can see in the video, this incident shows a shirtless, gutless man in black shorts and thongs getting a dog believed to be a blue Staffordshire Bull Terrier off the back of his Holden Commodore ute and kicking it before violently yanking on its lead. Now, the woman who took the video was standing nearby in a car park and started filming the incident on her phone after watching in disbelief as the man got out of his ute and punched the dog in the head. Now, of course, mainstream media will say things like alleged. It is clear from this woman's video that the guy was kicking the dog. No alleged. See, no alleged. There's no alleged here. The dog didn't run into the guy's foot. Gutless guy kicked the dog. The woman said that the man closed fist punched the poor blue staffy in the head while yelling at the dog to settle down before kicking it and dragging it around by its lead. As anyone can see, the poor dog was just super excited about being at the beach. Now, the woman who took the video, who was going to be protected, of course, said that she had to stop herself from stepping in and saying something to the man because she had her baby with her and the guy seemed pretty aggressive. The guy to me seems pretty gutless. She said, "My blood was boiling." So she took a video of the man's ute and number plate and reported the incident before posting the cringeworthy vision on social media, from where it has since gone viral. Now, if you have a look closely, there is a woman who is also picking her ass, pulling a Neapolitan Mastiff off the back of a ute too. Mainstream media had said that the woman believed to be the man's partner is also seen in the footage tending to another dog on the back of a ute at the time and stands with her back turned, seemingly unaware of the man's actions. Yeah, right. So this old schlumpo knows exactly what's going on. If this pathetic bloke does this in broad daylight, we can only imagine what he does to these defenseless animals behind closed doors. And to think, these people have the ability to reproduce. If he kicks a dog, and I have no doubt he would kick old Schlumpo there, imagine what he would do if they had children. And don't try to defend your actions, mate, when you get your day in court, citing that you had a lapse in memory, or it was way too hot on the Gold Coast, or I had diminished responsibility. You're a thug, and you're a gutless thug. So just in case you missed it, the car is a black 2008 Holden Ute with a Chevy badge. The number plate reading 613 SEI. 613 SEI. Now, I'm saying this not to incite any forms of violence because this would be un-Australian. It is so that you can ensure the safety of the dogs if you see them out in public. I am just sad for your poor dogs having to live with you. Your parents should be ashamed of you. And your mates should denounce you as a human because this is un-Australian. Now, of course, the RSPCA said it was investigating the incident late on Monday afternoon and thanked the public for their concerns. Where would it be without social media? And of course, sticking with social media, the footage has sparked outrage online. Now, at the time of doing this video, it had been viewed over 500,000 times across multiple platforms and has had thousands of comments from infuriated animal lovers. Comments like, "This man is a disgrace. The poor dog was only trying to get off the hot road. This man needs to be charged and to be told that he can never own a pet again." Another person wrote, "I cannot put into words how angry this makes me. Please just let the poor dog be taken from him and given to someone that respects and loves animals." So here's what I want to do. Mate, I want to extend a hand to you. Clearly, you're uneducated in how to deal with animals. I want to extend my help to you. If you need some help dealing or training with a big dog, such as your Neapolitan Mastiff that you got there, or the small Staffy, give me a shout out. I know you don't know how to handle dogs, it's clear by the video, and you're going to get lots of people who have got some ugly thoughts in their head. I don't want that for you. What I want for you is to be able to live peacefully with your animals. So give me a shout out. All my details are on the screen, you'll be able to check me out, call me up. Mate, seriously, I can give you a hand with this. Thanks for watching.